Get acquainted with the 2022 Nissan Frontier. You'll be ready for the job or off-road recreation in this remarkably affordable Frontier. Comfortable, capable, and hardworking, this popular midsize pickup is waiting just for you. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, remote engine start, blind spot monitor, trailer hitch, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, floor mats, tire pressure monitoring system, sliding rear window. Don't let this affordable Frontier slip away. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.